Okay guys, let's continue with the next tutorial. Today will be the tutorial daily content ideas straight from your comments section. What you'll learn in this tutorial: how to automatically fetch YouTube comments with n8n, how to process each comment individually using split out, how to use Ollama Gemma 3.1b to turn raw comments into video ideas, how to store everything in Google Sheets, comment, username, date, and AI generated idea, how to build a daily workflow that generates fresh content idea from your audience. So you'll never run out of inspiration again. Your community provides the input and the AI transform it into actionable video ideas. Okay, let's start it. First, you have the manual trigger. After that, you have the HTTP request node that extract all the fields, kind, the tag, items, snippet, the snippet file where we have the comment. Let's execute again. You see you have one comment, YouTube comment thread line response. Okay, after that you have the split out where you get all the fields to extract that you need, the field you need. So on another set node, let's execute. So on the comment you have our comment. If you like it, type this to resource alert alert, username, and the date when the comment was published. Next, we have the AI agent with the prompt. From this YouTube comment, suggest one video idea. Respond only with the idea, no explanation. And the comment, json.comment. Okay, let's execute it. So the comment was, this tutorial is awesome, I learn a lot. That's the output. So you need with another set node to rename the output that will name extracting the content idea. So now the output become extracted content idea and the content idea from the AI. Okay, after that we need a merge node to unify the set node with the comment, username, and date and the inside extracted content idea. And all of that we need to put on the Google Sheet node. So sheet with document, I already put it video 5, I selected. Okay, let's execute. Let's see. Now it's just with completed comment, username, date, and extract the content idea. But you need also the field to be completed. After this Google Sheet node, it's executed correctly. Let's stop and execute the workflow again. Maybe now will be, yes, now it's executed successfully. Let's see. So the comment from the YouTube video, the username, my username, because I posted, the date when the comment was posted, and the extracted content idea. Let's see. Let's execute again to see if you have another other output or still the same. So it's same output, but let's put here another prompt to see another reaction. Instead comment JSON comment, let's put a comment, I don't like this tutorial, for example. and here to put comment. Okay, let's execute again to see what happened. You see, we have another output. How to fix a faulty connection. That's an idea that the AI give us. Let's execute again to be put in the Google Sheet. And we have another idea how to fix a broken smartphone, because they don't, the prompt, the AI Ollama Gemma 3.1b don't know the context. Very funny. Let's execute again to see another content idea. How to fix a broken phone and so on. Okay guys, thank you for your time. See you on the next video. Bye bye.